Welcome to the Support Center. My name is Tom. I'm going to look at a feature called linked accounts. Now this feature is specifically designed for families that are members of multiple groups and allows you to easily switch back and forth from one group's website to another without needing to log into the other sites. So as long as you can log into one site, you can easily switch back and forth to the other sites. Let's go ahead and dive in here and take a look. So for my testing here, I'm a member of the Support Site for Group Leaders website, as well as a sample website. So I log into one of these sites. I'm logged into the support site. If I come up here and click on my profile icon, it takes me to my family profile. Then I click over here on this multiple logon, add linked account. I'm going to add my first account. Now it's already found another account based on my email address. I could certainly search for more accounts, but it's already found one. So all I need to do is enter my password for the other site. It shows me my username and I enter my password. If I click linked accounts, there we go. I'll request linked. I can go ahead and close that. It says here to refresh. Okay, so there it's showing the other account. I can delete it or I can add more, but for our testing, we'll leave just the one. So if I come back here and click on this little linked accounts icon, it shows me the other site that I'm linked to. I click it and it automatically switches over to the other site. So I'm logged into the other site. If I want to switch back, click on that again, it shows me the other site. And it's that easy to switch back and forth from one to the other. And again, to come back in here and maintain these, I go to my group profile and I can add or remove these as needed. So there you have it, a really nice simple feature that allows you to link multiple website accounts and easily switch back and forth from one to the other. If you need further assistance, you can reach out to your website administrator.